if you come to Vadodara, please don't forget to taste of Vadodara. It's especially for the Vadodarans. Whoever comes to Vadodara, they must taste the taste of Vadodara. And like as you can see, there are the legends and the heroes of Baroda Tibetan students. You can look at them, they look smarty, intelligent, quick, We're just getting ready to reach the test of Vadodara. Hello, greetings to all. Welcome to my Dawa production. So today I'm going to test of Vadodara. If you come to Vadodara, don't forget to test of Vadodara. I'm going along with friends, so just see and what happens next. So enjoy the journey. I'm just in front of the test of Vadodara. As you can see, there are so many, Indians, those who are coming here to witness this, beautiful and interesting platform here. Now, as you can see, test of Vadodara. So many people are taking pictures, videos. As you can see, there are so many Indians, especially, and the scenes, looking very beautiful, very captivating. You can see here, there are so many, beautiful ladies and gentlemen. As you can see here, it looks so beautiful and enchanting, fascinating, fabulous, cool, and looking fabulous, wonderful, really. That it will be much more amazing and beautiful. No, I didn't. This is my first time. I'm going to explore it right now. Let's go. No, I'm from MSU. I'm very happy to meet you. How are you feeling right now in front of Chest of Vadodara? Look at that, Chest of Vadodara.
It was the first time I have come here, so it was awesome feeling like never had seen like this kind of lightnings and all that, the decorations what I was doing. It was awesome feeling. Yeah,
I'm also happy to be here because this is my first time. It's been amazing. Very beautiful, right?
beautiful, awesome. That was a fantastic feeling over here.
I'm very happy to be here.
Thank you. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Sri Dawa. Dancing. So how you feeling right now?
I'm feeling very happy.
Is this your first time? Maybe I think this is your first time, right? Yes, it's really, yeah, it's really magical, very beautiful, right? Fantastic, yeah, decoration, all the people, everything is so fabulous. She was so, very, This is Vadodara's famous dance Garba. Just see, it's really beautiful,